Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create stickers on Telegram. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, you need to open the Telegram, and here you need to simply choose the chat where you want to create your stickers. So for example, I'll go with this chat, and as you can see, I already created some of my stickers. Now, to create your own sticker, you need to simply click on the sticker button in the bottom right corner, and if you scroll down just a little, you will find a create sticker button right here. So simply click on it. And now all you have to do is to simply choose from your gallery the photo that you want to create the sticker from. So for example, I will go with another photo of my cat. Here you can add some effects if you want, change the region, or for example you can draw, you can do whatever you want, you can add another sticker in sticker moreover, but I will leave it like that and click on the tick button when you are ready. And now all you have to do is to simply send sticker or add to sticker set. If you click on the add a sticker set, you can add the sticker to existing sticker set if you already have one, or create new sticker set if you want. So I'll just name it my cat, something like that, and then click on the done button, uploading, and as you can see, we created a sticker pack called cat. We can add some more stickers here, clicking on the plus button. As you can see, create a new sticker and add another sticker of my cat. So for example, this one, add to sticker set, uploading, and here it is basically. And now all we have to do is to simply go and click once again on these stickers, and here is our sticker pack. Now we can send the stickers, and the other guy can also add the sticker pack to his account. And basically this is it. This is how we can make stickers on Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.